Dear students, we will do the new module, module 105. This is Income Tax Authorities Part 5. So in this module, we will look into Assistant Directors of Income Tax, Assistant Commissioners of Income Tax. So we have learned Directors of Income Tax and Commissioners of Income Tax. Now this category is Assistant Directors of Income Tax and Assistant Commissioners of Income Tax. Their position is entry level group A officials under the income tax department. So when entry level, just joining the organization, they are learning the work culture, how to perform the duties and all. They work under Joint Commissioner of Income Tax, Additional Commissioner of Income Tax and Commissioner of Income Tax. Now they act as assessing officers. Assessing officers are the officers getting in direct touch with the general public. Whatever their grievances, whatever their clarifications, whatever their concerns. Assessing officers will deal with the general public. Handle assessment and administration of tax cases. So what are their powers? Issue notices and conduct enquiries. If the properly we have not filed that, then they can take action. Assess, reassess income. They can call for information. They can call you to the office. They can collect the information. Now call for documents and evidence. Whatever they provided, if it's not correct, they can ask for evidence and documents, supporting documents. If I claim one deduction in health insurance, I have not supported the document. So they can ask for the documentary proof for that. Now initiate penalty proceedings as per the law. If you have to pay fine, penalty and all, they have the right to call for that. Now what are their duties and responsibilities? Examine returns on income. So examine whatever they have given, as taxpayers have given the correct information. Now ensure tax computation. So they have computed the tax properly. Now detect tax evasion and discrepancies in revealing their income or filing the returns. Now maintain records and follow procedures. Proper procedures are followed by the taxpayers. Now implement tax laws and departmental instructions. Whatever decided by the in CBDT or finance department, they have to see that they are following in the organization. Now next category of officials, that is income tax officers. Their short form is ITO. Their position is they are the group B officer in the income tax department. The first category was group A. This is the group B officers under the income tax department. Functions as assessing officer. Now works under assistant commissioner of income tax, deputy commissioner of income tax and joint commissioner of income tax. Their role is primary authority for assessment of income. When we file the returns, they are the ones who will scrutinize the returns. Interface between taxpayer and the department. Now what are their powers? Issue notices and conduct enquiries. Assess or reassess income. Call for books of accounts and evidence. Initiate penalty proceedings. Rectify mistakes in orders. Sometimes there is a totaling error. Sometimes the income is not, one head of income is completely not disclosed in the income tax returns. They can call for information, they can correct that and they can see that whatever the actual tax to be paid. Next is their functions, process and scrutinize tax returns. So they will scrutinize the tax returns, verify income, deductions and exemptions. They will see that whether proper documentary evidence is there while claiming deduction, exemption. Now detect tax evasion and discrepancies and maintain assessment of records. Now what are the responsibilities? Ensure correct tax computation. Whoever file, now you are filing mostly on online. So whether the tax is computed correctly, follow legal proceedings and timelines. July 31st, we have to file the tax returns. Exceptional cases, they will extend the deadline, but whether they are following and whether they are submitting income tax returns on time. Apply tax laws fairly and consistently. Tax laws are followed by everyone, all citizens of the country. Provide opportunity of being heard. Natural justice. If they have some concerns, some revisions they require, some appeals they have to be patient in listening to the taxpayer. Their concerns they have to rectify. Then only they will continue to file correct tax returns. So this is what I wanted to explain in this module. Happy learning. Thank you.